Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is itong top 5 MMORPG games na under ng Web3. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding these games. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-usapan natin itong top 5 Web3 MMORPG games that you can play as of 2026. Now, these games are recently released, okay? And yung iba naman dito, guys, is matagal nang na-release talaga. I think it's been over a year na or almost 2 years na after na-release. But these are my top 5 that I can actually recommend to you na somehow, worth it pa rin i-grind and so far, you can still make money. However guys, gusto ko lang kayong bigyan ng disclaimer na hindi guaranteed yung kikitain nyo dito. Again, it really depends on how much time you spend in the game, how much progress you have made in the game, and of course, depende rin kung meron bang investment yung game na yon or wala. But anyway, none of these are financial or job advice. So please make sure to do your own diligence about making a research on the project before getting in. Ganun lang naman guys. But anyway, bago din tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang kayong i-invite na mag-join sa ating group which is BM Gaming TV Group. So pasok kayo sa Facebook group natin and once you were able to join our Facebook group, pwede kayong ma-invite sa Facebook community natin, sa community chat. Kasi wala na yung chat groups natin guys. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na kayo nakakapag-chat dun sa previous chat groups natin. Dinilit na kasi yon ni Facebook. So ang meron na ngayon is community chats. But I will also create a Telegram channel and also para naman sa mga TikTok subscribers natin or supporters natin, gagawa na rin tayo ng content sa TikTok as well. Hopefully, hindi siya ma-mute kasi kapag mga make money games, minumute yan ni TikTok. Okay? But anyway, balik na tayo sa main topic natin dito sa video na to. Na marami naman akong tutorial na ginawa with the games that I've listed. So you can check it out on my YouTube channel guys para at least meron na kayong guide na susundan. Okay? Anyway. Pag-usapan na natin yung mga games na nandito sa list. So number one on the list is gonna be Maple Story Universe or Maple Story End. Now, bakit Maple Story End? Isa to sa mga games na nire-recommend ko dahil isa siya sa mga pinaka somehow para sa akin madali siyang intindihin. Once you played it and you kind of like get familiarized with how the game works, madali siyang laruin and somehow madali rin talagang kumita. Okay? Now, this game, I played this for about like 5 months or 6 months before akong tumigil kasi nga nag-work tayo. Okay? But anyway, this one is one of the highest earning games na marerecommend ko sa inyo pagdating sa Web3. Okay? Number one, it is because you can actually make money here by farming the Neso in the game. Okay? Now, yung Neso na yon, pwede nyo siyang i-convert into NXPC and then yung NXPC naman, pwede nyo i-convert into USDT. Now, they've evolved so much. I think sobrang dami na ng updates na nangyari dito sa Maple Story Inn since the last time that I played with it. I think I played Maple Story last at October, I think. Yung last time na naglaro ako nito. Pero makikita niyo naman yun sa live stream natin. I think yung live stream natin was about 5 months ago already. So I think this is one of the last live streams that I made dito sa Maple Story kasi kaka-release lang ng bagong class niyan. But anyway, isa to sa mga mare-recommend ko pa rin sa inyo. So far, decent pa rin naman yung magiging kitaan nyo dito. Kung susumayin natin sa loob ng 1 month, kung i-grind nyo siya, kayang-kaya pa din kumita dito ng at least 5,000 pesos sa loob ng 1 month. Okay? Again, hindi yan sobrang todong grind Kasi kung todong grind kayo dito, you can pretty much make more than that. Okay? Pero kung casual player lang kayo, katulad ko noon, no, yung 6,000, 7,000 isang linggo, nagagawa ko naman siya. Okay? Anyway, let's go to the next game which is itong si Nightcross. Now, baka nagugulat kayo bakit kasama si Nightcross dito. Well, Nightcross is still one of the stable, no, Web3 games that you can still play as of this moment. Now, it doesn't require you to spend anything. Okay? What it does is it actually requires you to spend more time in the game. Kasi eventually guys, bibigyan din naman kayo ni Nightcross ng chance na makahabol doon sa mga existing players. Okay? But anyway, if you're looking for something na medyo unique yung gameplay in terms of uh, how the dungeon works, kung paano yung boss raids dito, you must have to be in a guild para at least masabi ko na maging profitable ka. Kasi dito, pag may guild kayo or hawak niyo yung guild, you will be able to run dungeons. Okay, so yung dungeons na yon, yung guild dungeons na yon, meron siyang loot na makukuha. So, yung mga resources dyan, medyo nag-adjust na rin yung presyo. Hindi na katulad before. But I think the most thing that you can actually do here is to farm those high tier items. Now, kung meron na kayong account before, tuloy-tuloy nyo na lang yung grind nyo doon kasi I'm sure meron ding ibibigay sa inyo si Nightcross. Meron kayo sa mail na makukuha usually. Yung mga perks na binibigay nila. Hopefully, hindi pa nag-expired, no? But anyway, I think they've also released like a different server, yung parang fast-paced server nila. So, I'll check on it probably by the weekend so that I will be able to check kung gaano ba kabilis yung progress ng mga character doon sa mga servers na yon. But this is one of the games na I used to stream as well. Masyado lang heavy to sa pay to win. Okay, to be honest with you, pay to win game kasi yung mga lumalabas na Web3 MMORPG games right now, but you can still make money on this game as well. And if you're looking for PvP, yung PvP naman ito guys is parang nakikipag 1v1 kayo sa mga ibang players. Pero I think they've adjusted it as well. They adjusted the evasion. Kasi usually kapag sobrang taas ng combat power mo dito, nagmi-miss lang yung ibang players sa'yo. So I think they've already lessened those para at least tinatamaan nyo na yung mga talagang high geared. Maliban na lang talaga kung level 1 ka tapos level 70 na yun. Talagang hindi ka natatama ron, di ba? But anyway, I think they've adjusted it. They make a couple of patches about it. So, this is still a game that you can pretty much play. No, it's a fun game to play during the time na ni-stream ko talaga nag-enjoy ako dito. Okay? Now, the next game is gonna be Rohan 2. Now, si Rohan 2 na-release to a couple of months ago. Isa tayo sa mga unang nag-review nitong project na to. So far, yung tropa natin na si researcher is nandito and sabi niya, ang earnings doon sa server niya is around 400 to 500 USD. Take note guys na yung earnings na yon, kaya niya nagagawa yon kasi part siya ng guild. So, one of the tips that I can recommend is always join a guild that has plans on doing boss raids, no, or dungeon raids. Maganda talaga na sumasali kayo sa guild, okay? Even sa Albion yan ang concept. Kung gusto niyo kumita ng malaki sa Albion, then you must join a guild. Kasi yung mga guilds na yon nag-aabaran sila. So dito ganun din, sa Rohan 2. Boss hunt yung mainly na ginagawa nila dito and also may boss dungeons din. Now, I haven't released an updated guide on it, but basically how you make money here is by converting rubies. Okay? And then when you converted those in-game currencies, then you will be able to convert it into USD. Okay? Now, yung gamit nilang network dito is yung Cross Network. So you can pretty much download the Cross Network. I've created a guide about it so you can check it out on my previous uploads. Okay? Now, the next game is walang katapusang Lord 9, guys. Now, si Lord 9 may bago siyang server na nilabas which is si Medea. And nandito yung isa sa mga nabilhan natin ng PC kasi last time, naghahanap ng PC yung utol ko and nabilhan natin ng PC isa sa mga subscriber natin. So far, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng info na dito sa Medea server, medyo paldo-paldo pa din ang bigayan, no? Now, the way you make money on Lord 9, I already stated that on my previous video. You can check it out here, guys. No, nandito yan sa mga previous upload natin. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na may mga previous uploads tayo about Rohan, Maple Story, yan, mga top 5 MMORPG games, no? But anyway, andito naman yung mga guides natin. So, you can just check it out. Pagdating sa Lord 9, no? Ito, Lord 9, ito. Yan, worth it pa ba? Ayan, nilalagay ko naman dito guys lahat ng info and how to earn in Lord9. So, panoorin niyo na 'tong mga videos na 'to guys kasi it would really help you a lot in terms of progress. And alam ko sa karamihan sa inyo na naghahanap kayo talaga ng mga MMO nakikita kayo. So, dito lahat ng information that you need to know about Lord9 as well. So, kinumpleto ko na yan, guys. Okay? Then, the last game is gonna be Legend of Emir. Now, si Legend of Emir, guys, isa sa mga games na paldo as of the moment. Isa sa mga subscriber natin ang nagbigay sa akin ng info na pwede kayong kumita dito ng up to $40 weekly. I think yun yung sinabi niya sa akin. Kung monthly, susumahin nyo mga around magkano rin yun, 160 USD per month. So that's a good way to make money as well. But dito kasi meron siyang nire-required na investment. You won't be able to make money here kung wala kayong investment. Parang bibili kayo ng battle pass and then the way it works is the more you level up those battle passes and the more you make progress and consistently buy those battle passes, the more rewards that you can get. So technically, sa umpisa, investment siya, pero in the long run, kayo din naman yung makikinabang doon kasi yung magiging ROI nyo, yung first month, ma-ROI nyo yun. Second month, doon na kayo magkakaroon ng margins or doon na kayo kikita. Okay? Now, the way you actually make money here, hindi pa ako masyado nakakagawa ng guide. So, gagawin ko siya ng guide, ng updated guide para sa inyo guys. May mga characters naman na tayo dito. I think level 40 plus na yung isang character ko dito. Pero I'm going to create a character again sa new server and doon tayo magpo-progress. Okay? Now, these top 5 Web3 MMORPG games, enjoy it guys. Kasi hindi kayo talaga kikita kapag hindi kayo nag enjoy. Again, enjoyment first, then to follow na lang yung extra income. But again, lagi ko naman paalala sa inyo that if you're going to play these games, do not ever quit your main source of income. Kasi mahirap guys mag-rely sa mga games. Games are designed to be played, not to make money from. And we just happen to know that we can make money in these games, pero it doesn't replace your original source of income. Okay? So yun lang naman mga brother. If you do have any other questions, recommendations, mga bagay na gusto niyo sabihin dito sa video na to, you can put it down below para at least makatulong din kayo not just sa akin, pero doon sa mga tao na naghahanap din ng MMORPG games. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for your time and alam niyo na, this is BM and I'm out.